Okay guys, I done a video yesterday of how to install red ambient lighting on a mk2 Focus. I didn't go through the whole process, but if I just turn the ignition on, the driver's one comes on with the ignition and the door handle, which gives quite a nice little red glow around the area. So what I've done today, because I've had a couple of people ask me how to do it, is I've done the passenger side. Well, I've done the driver's side quite late last night, so I've done the driver's side today. Basically, how you need to do is crimps. You can use a volt detector or a volt screwdriver, whatever you want to call it, a tester. Earth it to the pin in the door. You want male and female bullet connectors. I'll explain why now in a minute. And you want a pack of LEDs. You can get these on eBay. They're about £2.55, £2.50 for a pack of 10. And you want the holders which come with them to hold the LED in place. So the first thing you need to do is get yourself a panel popper. I have a few of these. I'm always tearing my car apart, for those who know. And you want to pop the door surround out of the door, which goes that way, and remove the plug for the wire, which is on a little pin release clip. On your passenger side, your green and white is your positive, and obviously your black is your negative. And the reason you need bullet connectors is because you need to splice into the wiring and run extra wires off for the LED. What I've also done is I put the LED on bullet connectors, because then at any time I can change the LED colour if needed. Right now I'm running red. So let me just pop this back together real quick and I'll come back to you. Okay, so you want to push the LED in. You want to drill a 5mm hole. The LEDs are 5mm as a surround. You want to drill a hole in the pocket so it stays in. The LED in, and it will clip into place. You can use the black clips if you want, but I found that they don't actually sit in the back over it. So you can just put a bit of tape on the back or just a little bit of glue just to hold it in place. And want to put the clip back in, and these clip back in to the 3 clips, 1, 2 and 3 in there. Just a little bit of force and it will go in. Just give me a sec, I'll come back to you again. Okay, so we've got the wiring back clipped in place. These are a little tough to get in, just give them a little whack and it will go back in. And then turn the ignition on and it will come on. Get a little hiccup there guys, nothing to worry about. So as I was saying, turn the ignition on to 2 legs and you can see an ambient lighting comes on. So they both activate with the ignition now. The driver's side, again black earth, but your ignition wire is red and yellow. And that's pretty much it guys. Basic, simple. Has a nice little effect in the lights, but obviously we can't show you like this in the middle of the day right now. So yeah, and obviously none of the wiring will be touched because the window reg sits behind the door card, behind the metal panel. Yeah, it's easy. So passenger side, green and white is positive, black for negative. You just need to pop this one out. Driver side, you need to pop this cover out and pop this bottom cover off. You can earth it to the black wire down in the door. You will need to extend some wire up. And red and yellow to the interior alarm. Does not play havoc with your alarm, by the way guys. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Any comments, likes, welcome. For now, that's me out.